the second lesson, that is ServiceNow basics. Let's see what is ServiceNow. ServiceNow is a company which is a SaaS based company. It's a cloud based software company which is providing IT software services to the industry, and it is helping to automate IT business processes, business management. So initially, ServiceNow it started with IT service management. It was a ITSM tool. Later, they have moved to two different modules, which we are going to discuss here. So ideally, it was developed as a ITSM tool based on the ITIL best practices. Then later on, it was developed all the workflows. Then flow management. It is started as a integration with different tools like cloud, AWS, Azure, GCP. It is having all the integrations. So predominantly, ServiceNow is providing these are the modules for IT service management, where the incident management, change management, your virtual assistant, all those things will be available in IT service management. Then next is like customer service management, where it is a competitor of Salesforce CRM. This is the CRM modules where like you will generate the case management. You can create a portal from there, case will generate, and you enter the lead management, case management, all entire cycle will be there. Then IT ops, under IT ops will come like automation things will come here. You want to do automations, discovery, CMDB management, all those things will come here. Then governance, risk and compliance, this is for security people, where they have you can raise a security incident, risk management, what are the compliance. This is the security module of ServiceNow. Then for HR, they have HR service delivery manager. So HR service delivery module is for HR. Then project portfolio management, if you want to do a project management tool, or as a tool like Jira you want to use a ServiceNow, you can use it. Here you can create all the project portfolio management, project management. You can create like your bugs. You can do the sprint, scrum process, kanban process. All these things you can do in the your strategy portfolio management. Then IT asset manage end-to-end asset lifecycle, you can do it. And they have introduced integration hub, where you can do the integration of different other third-party tools. You can do like SolarWinds, other monitoring tools, then cloud, then different other APIs you can do. Then later on, security operation, field service management, application portfolio management. Then finally, app engine. So app engine the module where you can all together, these are the module already developed, like 60-70% will be developed. You have to consume this and configure it based on the company need. But here in the app management tool, what you will do, you can build the application from scratch. You can build the application from scratch. You can create tables on top of the applications. You can create the business logic. You can create a service portal for that. Everything you can do, you can using app engine. So this is the basic of ServiceNow. What exactly ServiceNow and what are the modules available in the ServiceNow. But these are actually theoretical concept, and we will cover all those things. Backend will be all will be having a tables, data you have to table, business rules, client script, all those things we are going to cover in the later sections. So everything will cover in the admin part. We need not to specifically remember that what this is doing, what this module is doing. So now let's say how we'll use the ServiceNow tool. As I told you, it is a cloud-based software company, and it is providing software as a service. We need not to download anything software into which we have, you will either create a pre-instance or your company will have a subscription. Maybe they will have a ITIL subscription, or maybe have a CSM subscription, or maybe GRC or project portfolio management. Based on the company need and all, they will have the licensing agreement with the ServiceNow. And as I told, it was started in ITSM base, but now it is like expansion is happening, like lot of other services they have introduced. So as per your company subscription, you will get a license. After getting a license, you will get the your company name .servicenow.com. You will get the instance name for dev, QA and production will be the name, like suppose you are working in the Microsoft, you will have microsoft.servicenow.com. or if you are just getting a development instance, which we are going to get it and we will do all the practice and hands-on experience we will do in that. It will have a dev 9, dev 16, dev 28, dev 100,000, like that, .servicenow.com. There you can log in and start doing the customization, and all the customer will also use that instance. So what exactly that instance will consist? It will have dummy datas, or if you are using your company organizational basic, it will have organizational data, design, application logics, and different component it will have it. So based on the need, we will going to modify it. So as you know, it's a ServiceNow is a data driven platform. So everything you see backend, it is available as a table. So all the data are available as a table. So it is backend, it is using MySQL. So MySQL table, it will be whatever the data we are creating, it will be also custom table it will create, or whatever the core functionality is there, it will be stored as a table. So that's what, everything is a record in the database. You will see in ServiceNow tool, everything is a database in the as a record in the database. So there are a lot of out-of-box features are there which we can use it. Maybe those are like change management, incident management, your ITSM, ITOM, asset management, predefined fields, tables, forms will be available. If based on your need, we have to certainly 20% around we will customize it and we can start using it. So this is what ServiceNow basics. So we'll cover the next topic. What is the technical skills or prerequisite, or what are the system requirement to start doing this, or if you are learning ServiceNow admin, what technical skill you should know, or what are the system you should have to learn it. So if you will, frankly speaking, there is nothing, you just need to know computer. Basic computer science skills is very much essential to this. Apart from that, you need a little bit of database concept, what is table, what is insert update query, like what college days you might have read all those things, and basic functionality of the system. And if you want, you can learn about little bit of ITIL process. What is ITIL process? That is going to help you. Otherwise nothing, just basic computer skills is much needed, that is enough. And let's see what system you should have. System, we cannot do it in mobile. You can watch these videos and all from mobile, but you should have a system, either Windows or Mac or Linux OS, to laptop or system or PC. You should have it to access this course, access the ServiceNow instance, do the practice. We are going to do one by one practice. We will onboard users, we will create some basic transform map, upload data, all those things. You need a laptop. So you should have a laptop with minimum 4 GB or 8 GB RAM with minimum configuration, a better internet, and a latest browser. I prefer like Chrome and Safari. So you can anyhow you can use any browser, but ServiceNow tested in most people in ServiceNow they use Chrome or Safari, so that works well. These are the prerequisite to start this course. I hope this will helpful you. Thanks for watching this.